the critical core processes and procedures that will be taken will focus on maintaining intellectual property control. This will relate mostly to employee contracts and non-disclosure agreements. We're going to structure our company around developing new technologies and making sure that there's no enabling public disclosure situation possible. And so we will work with employees and independent contractors, and we're going to make agreements that will protect intellectual property. We'll also keep a constant view on filing patents and making sure that all the technology that's developed in the company is secured within U.S. patents. Other processes will also relate to developing a system to manage the policies, procedures, and processes of the company so that appropriate actions are taken to avoid losing intellectual property control or other such options, or other such disasters. And this will also relate to corporate form by allowing us to be a limited liability, a member-controlled limited liability corporation. We are capable of maintaining control at the corporate level, but then also limiting liability.
For our current team, we have the team leader, who is Gerald O'Neill, and he's in charge of the whole design process, overseeing everything. We have Vincent Bevilacqua, who is knowledgeable in programming and circuitry design, and he'll be in charge of creating the circuitry for our product and also the user interface for it. We have Manuel Sandoval. He is experienced with design of the aesthetics of the product, so he'll be in charge of the casing and other aesthetical properties of the product. And there's Mark Benzel. He's experienced with mechanical design, and he'll be in charge of creating the mechanical recapture device for the product. Currently, we don't have a lot of strengths in the design of the process, but we don't have too many in the business aspect of this. So our current management need will be to recruit somebody who's very knowledgeable in terms of business, like a CEO or somebody who is very understandable in this. In the future, however, we're probably going to need more people who also understand business, as well as engineers for any future designs you might have.
Hearing about our current team members and all of their strengths, it's obvious that we need some older and more experienced mentors, which is why we are going to talk about our dream list of advisors and directors. So one of our dream advisors would be Bill Gates, obviously, since he has proven himself and he has very extensive networking that would benefit our company. We also want some innovators and some sustainability advisors, how we can sustainably grow in the company. Market analysts who can give us advice concerning financial decisions based on the state of the market. A legal advisor who can help us with our insurance and copyright issues, etc. And then finally a networking advisor who can help us expand our company network and create partnerships with other companies that can help us expand. And that was our list of advisors. Here's our list of directors. One of our dream ones would be Mark Cuban, since he has a great deal of financial experience with the world champion Dallas Mavericks, and he has a great deal of money that he could pour into our company. We also want an experienced business major who can deal with company finances and help set the salaries of management and employees, as well as dealing with the budget of the company. And then finally, our chairman of the board, who can help create company policies and objectives and make sure that each objective is completed on time and that objectives are completed in each meeting. He's also going to be the face of the company to the stakeholders and help represent our company. And that is our list of directors and previously described list of advisors.